Good morning, friends. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you motor fitness test. मीनिंग ऑफ मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट। मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट एक एथलीट की क्षमता को प्रभावी बनाता है ताकि वह अपने गेम में प्रभावी ढंग से भाग ले सके या अपनी गतिविधि की क्षमता को भी इफ़ेक्टिव बनाता है। There are 8 test items of motor fitness test: 50-meter standing start, 6-meter run and walk, sit and reach, partial curve up test, push-up for boys, modify push-up for girls, standing broad jump, 4 into 10-meter shuttle run. Test item of 50-meter standing start. Purpose to measure speed and acceleration. Equipment required: measuring tape, marking track, stopwatch. प्रोसीजर ऑफ 50-meter स्टैंडिंग स्टार्ट। 50 मीटर स्पीड से रन करना स्टार्ट करता है जिसमें एथलीट की बॉडी वार्म अप होनी चाहिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन बिहाइंड लाइन, एट द सिग्नल ऑफ रेडी एंड सेट एंड गो। एथलीट एक्सप्लोजिव स्पीड से रन करता है। एथलीट फिनिश लाइन को क्रॉस करता है। लाइक दिस पोजीशन। Scoring is recorded in second to the nearest tenth of a second. Next test item of 6-meter run and walk. Purpose to measure endurance. Equipment required: 600-meter track and stopwatch. Procedure of 600-meter run and walk. The subject take the position of standing right behind the standing line. At the signal of ready and go, the subject start running 600-meter distance. During the running may be walk. Like this position. Scoring time is recorded in minutes and seconds. Next test item, sit and reach. Purpose to measure flexibility of hip and lower back and hamstring muscle. Equipment required: sit and reach box, pen, score sheet, mark shift ruler. Procedure: first of all, shoes and socks should be removed. Then sit down on the floor with the leg stretched out the straight, but the knee should be locked. Helper उसकी हेल्प कर सकता है। palm should be facing downward. Subject both hand forward along the measuring line on the box as for as stand, and should be hold the position for 2 seconds. The score should be recorded. He should not jerk. Warm up is not allowed. Making is there. Then 0 marks should be 9 inch before the feet. Like this position. Scoring. The scoring is recorded to the nearest centimeter. फोर्थ टेस्ट आइटम आपका है पार्शियल कर्ल अप टेस्ट। Purpose to measure strength and endurance of abdominal muscle. Partial curl-up test equipment required a flat, clean, and cushioned surface. Cushioned means pillow. Here, partial curl-up test. First of all, the subject lies in supine position on pillow surface. Knees should be 12 inch from the buttocks. Arms are extended or rested on thigh. The head should be in neutral position. This is the starting position. A slow control movement. One complete curl-up test is complete every 3 years. It should be continuous process. Like this position. Record total number of partial curl-up tests. Curl-up should be counted if the shoulders are not raised up by 2 inches. Item push-up for boys. Purpose to measure upper body strength and endurance. Equipment required a floor mat and stopwatch. Procedure after proper warming up, the subject to take position, push-up position, hands and toes should be touch the mat. Upper body and legs should be straight line. Elbow may be 90 angle. Chest may touch the mat. It should be continuous process. Like this position. Scoring. Record the number of correctly complete push-up. Test item modify push-up for girls. Purpose to measure upper body strength and endurance. Required a floor mat, stopwatch, pen and score sheet. Procedure after proper warming up, the subject take starting position for modify push-up. Hand and knees should be touched. The mat elbows should be bent to 90 degree. Then the subject return back to the starting position. The same action is repeated and the test continues. Like this position. Scoring. Count the total number of modify push-up for record. Next test item standing broad jump. Purpose to measure the explosive power of leg. Equipment required jumping pit and measuring tape. Procedure takeoff line is marked on the ground. Subject stand just behind the line. The subject swing the arm and bend the knees to take jump in the long jump. 3 trials are given to the subject. Distance measure takeoff line to the heel. Body touch the ground nearest to the takeoff line. Like this position. Scoring. Best one is recorded. The measurement is noted in feet and inches. The next test item 4 into 10 meter shuttle purpose to measure agility, ability to change direction. Equipment required: two wooden block, measuring tape, stopwatch, pen and score sheet. Procedure: mark two parallel line 3 meter in length 10 meter apart using tracking tape and subject stand the starting line on the signal go. Subject run to wooden block, left one block, return to the starting line and place the block behind the line. Subject return to second block, left it the then run cross the starting line on the way back. Two trial is given. Like this position. Scoring: record the best time to complete the test in second to the nearest decimal place. People who are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Stay healthy and safe. Jai Hind.